watching The Punisher. About to drink that motherfucker right there. Try to drink it fast. I'm not sure if whether to do that, but let's see. I'm kind of in a drinking mood, so it shouldn't be too fucking hard to do. A little bit of spillage. Oh. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh. I don't know if you guys ever seen this movie, but it's alright. These bitches are hard to drink fast. Especially when they're fucking cold. Fark was one. I sent him a message a while back asking about a Silver Thunder 40. He private messaged me and said, send me your address. So I did, and then I moved since then. But I sent it to him again, and I'm pretty sure he's going to send me a 40. And when he does, I'm going to send him back a Steel Reserve 40. Because he said they can't get Steel Reserve 40s where he's at, so that's what that's about. Shit's really foamy in the stomach. Like really foamy burps. Been about 2 minutes. 2.5 minutes, I don't know, maybe 3, I'm not sure. I just gotta fucking work, I'm tired as fuck. But I haven't made a video in like 2 weeks almost, so I figured I'd make this and hopefully it gets more views. Everybody knows what that is. Good part, so. That's that. Later, guys.